Our customers are trying to do predictive maintenance or improve their operational performance in their facilities. And historically, the best way to do that is to go out and manually collect data and then bring that back in and do calculations on it. Problem with those types of approaches is that, it's periodic, so you're only able to collect data every now and then, and it's very labor intensive too. One of the big challenges for doing reliability or performance improvements is getting the right data into the software that you want to use. And traditionally, you have all the measurements that you need for control, but you don't necessarily have all the measurements that you need to do performance or reliability-based analysis. So getting that information up through the control system, if they're not already there, often involves complex projects, long schedules, and it can be very costly and complex too, versus being able to deploy new measurements through wireless technologies that are more flexible outside of the control system, enables you to get that data into that software layer much more easily. A good example is heat exchanger performance monitoring. Many times our customers want to detect whether there's plugging or fouling or other issues happening with their heat exchangers that can cause performance degradation. Now with wireless sensors, we can put the right measurements on the heat exchangers and then pull that in through wireless HART networks to enable you to use Insight or other software to monitor the performance of the heat exchanger in the real time. Recently, many companies have started kicking off digital transformation programs, and a key enabler for that are technologies based on the concept of the Internet of Things. Cloud-based computing, wireless sensor networks, new off-the-shelf communications technologies to get the data securely from the plant network to the cloud, as well as collaboration capabilities that enable experts to get access to the data wherever they are, and then to collaborate with the people that are actually doing the work. These technologies are enabling companies to actually deliver the results that they want to achieve through digital transformation. A common misconception is the technology is really challenging and complex to implement. In reality, it's pretty straightforward, and there's a lot of existing blueprints that can be applied. And what we find is in digital transformation projects, the best practice where people are having the most success is starting small, working on specific problems that they know exist and can be easily justified, thereby building the infrastructure for those problems and then expanding in scope as well as scale over time. Are you involved in digital transformation projects but don't know where to start? Share your questions and experiences in the Emerson Exchange 365 community.